chapter on Dhulm. Wrong of one kind can be greater or lesser than that of another. Narrated Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, may Allah be pleased with him, when the following verse was revealed. It is those who believe in the oneness of Allah and worship none but Him alone, and confuse not their belief with dhulm, wrong, i.e., by worshipping others besides Allah. For them only there is security and they are the guided. Quran chapter 6 verse 82. The companions of Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, asked, "Who is amongst us who had not done dhulm, wrong?" Then Allah the Mighty and Sublime revealed, "Verily, joining others in worship with Allah is a great dhulm, wrong indeed." Quran chapter 31 verse 13.